Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Dennis, and today I'm going to be flying my new Maverick Mini. I actually just got this recently, loving it. Very nice and light, flies very well so far, but once again, I'm really new at this. So I'm going to be flying this today, and I'm actually coming from a little hidden gem in Harford County, Maryland. And it's called Fallen Branch. It's a waterfall that if you're not from this Harford County area, you may not even know about it. So in the surrounding areas in Pennsylvania and all that, a lot of people don't even know this is here. It's actually roughly about a 25-foot waterfall. Really gorgeous. It seems to change all the time because of all the water coming down. But I know I was here 15 or so years ago and did a really awesome drawing from a photo I took. And I was here a couple weeks ago and it didn't look the exact same. The rocks were not the same places, trees obviously not also. So we're gonna see what it looks like today. I tried to get here before anyone else did, but as you can see, a couple of people already beat me here. It says it opens up at sunset, or sunrise I should say. But then on the sign it said 9 o'clock, and I showed up earlier, thinking I'll get up here before anyone else, and I got here around 7:45, 8 o'clock in the morning, but unfortunately it was locked up. So I came back and I got here, I don't know, around 8:30, and it was opened up and there was already 4 cars here. So I'm hoping there's not too many people down there so I can fly the drone around and kind of see it, but we'll be seeing. So hope you enjoyed the video. Great, I just got down to the waterfall. It takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes to get here. So the waterfall is back this way. I'm gonna try to fly the drone. We got some people back there. I'm hoping they don't mind. I'm gonna try to fly the drone around this area and show you some of the waterfall.